This one is from Chocolate World, and we will have the link for you in the description below. You will need 4 ingredients. Tempered chocolate, we'll be using our Calabo 811. Some pecan halves, you can use any nut of choice. We're using some golden raisins, you can use any dried fruit. And we have some white chocolate crispy pearls, you can use any flavor you like. We're gonna start by adding our ingredients to our mold, and then we're gonna go ahead and fill each cavity with tempered chocolate. Now let's add some crispy pearls. And remember that these are going to be poking out of the top of your bonbons. And now we want to add our pecans. We're now getting ready to fill our bonbons, and we're using the Calabo 811 chocolate. Give your mold a few taps to release any air bubbles and help your chocolate settle into your toppings. And now we're just going to scrape away any excess chocolate. Now we're going to allow our chocolates to set until they become solid. Our bonbons were sitting in the fridge for about 2 hours, and I also left them out at room temperature. So they are all set, and we are going to go ahead and release these bonbons from the mold. You want to just give it a tap. With just a touch of gold foil, our bonbons are complete. Let us know what you think.